everyone, I'm Amber from Planything. Today I'm going to do another Plan With Me video, this time not with the stickers or the washi tapes. Well, also with stickers, but not in my planner. For the first time ever, for myself, I'm going to use the lamination machine to create dashboards or bookmarks, whatever you want to call it, with the paper from the Tropical Summer Box. I'm very excited to get started with the paper and trying out something new. I hope you can use this video as inspiration to create your own planner spread with the Tropical Summer Box. The Tropical Summer Box is still available. You can order it until June 24. And well, I hope you enjoy watching the video, and I'm very excited to see what I'm going to make of it. Hi everyone, welcome at another Plan With Me video. In this video I'm going to show you what you can create with the paper from this box. In my last Plan With Me video I used the stickers and the washi tapes, and now I'm going to create some bookmarks, laminated bookmarks. And the fun part, it's the first time I'm doing this as well, so I hope it's going to be a nice bookmark. I'm actually going to make two. First I'm going to start easy. I'm going to use this paper. I'm going to cut it and use this laminated plastic. So I punched the laminated plastic, and now I'm going to laminate it in the machine. I'm really excited how it turns out. I also did a little cut here, so when I add it to my Happy Planner, you can see the little melon part over here. Now this one really worked well, so now I'm going to create the next one. And I'm going to use this ice cream paper because I really like it, it's really cute. And I'm going to use this sticker because I want to have this sticking out of my planner. So let's see if it's going to work out. Now I'm going to use these stickers, and you can stick them here on the paper, and you can write down to-dos you need to do every week, like cleaning or or groceries, reminders that you need to do every week. I think it looks nice with matching with the flamingo and the flowers. Now I'm going to laminate this. course, when you can stick here stickers, but you can also stick them here, and you still have also a fun pattern. Let's see. Yes, perfect. Now I'm going to add it to the lamination machine. So I will be right back. It's perfect. I have my my to-dos that I need every week, and it's going really well in my planner. When I close it, it looks really cute. Look. I'm really happy with it, and right now I did not write anything down here, but of course you can do that too with the other stickers that are left. So I really hope you liked planning with me this time. As a lamination newbie, I never did this before, but I'm pretty happy that how it turned out, and I also really like this one. It was a little bit smaller and a little bit more simple, but you can do anything you want with the paper in the box. I really hope you liked watching this video, and I hope to see you in my next video. The next video will be the unboxing video of the July box that will be online July 1. Bye!